massager. Who doesn't like a good massage? This is the massager from Fitfirst, company I've never heard of before. The box itself is pretty plain and just talks you through on how you can use it. So on your stomach, on your thighs, on your arms, on your back, or on your lower back. So with this one, let's have a look straight into it. So you get this nice little, looks like an old-fashioned MP3 player, which is the main sort of unit. At the top, you've got the USB Type-B connection and the on-off button. So let's switch it on. That's lovely. It's backlit as well, so you can actually see what you're doing. And you've got all the buttons at the bottom to change the mode, whether you want it to be on one side, increase the intensity, and just all around to see what you're going to do. So let's switch that off again. In the box as well, you've then got please place the pads on two sides of the board when finished massage. So you're meant to take the pads off again and place back onto that one. I believe that's just for health and safety and also for hygiene reasons. So you get a charging cable in the box, you get two big pads, you get two small pads, another two small pads, and then two even smaller pads. So all in all, it's not bad. You then also get these ones, which are then the ones that plug into the top here, which allow you to have 4 connections, I believe it is, at the same time. Or this one looks like it allows you to have 4 different ones. So maximum you can have on at a time is 6. You can limit it down to 4, and then you can also have whichever pads you want connected. That obviously depends on which part of the body you're trying to massage. I didn't actually get this to do a massage, I actually got it to do like a TENS machine, so like the Slender Tone. For the price that you pay for this, it's an absolutely bargain, because Slender Tones are usually well over £100, so you know, for the price of this, it's a bargain. You've got a little diagram in here as well of sort of all the pressure points and everything that you could ever think of, and that's so you can absolutely relax while you're using it. So that's a bit of everything, all the muscle tones and everything else. Acupuncture treatment points is what they class it as. You've also then got the little booklet here. So with this, it allows you to go lots of different bits. So as you can see on here, it's got different functions for different parts. So you've got your arms, your hands, like walking, just massaging lightly, doing a full workout, lots and lots of different modes. And it's also got lots of different intensities that you can just change by using the plus button. So you can see here the A going up, that is the intensity. So as you can see there, it's shocking it quite a lot. The way that this works is it does give each muscle in your body a little shock every so often. And of course, that means that if you have got a pacemaker, or if you are pregnant, or if you've got hypertension, it's not recommended to use, because it can injure you more than it can help, ultimately. Especially with a pacemaker, because electric shocks could start that going a bit haywire. In regards to this, so I'm going to be using it every other day, and you're not meant to use it for more than 60 minutes at a time per day. If you do, it can cause damage to your muscles, so whatever you do, don't use it for any longer than 60 minutes. I'm going to limit myself to 30 minutes to start off with, and it will be on one of the lowest intensities. The main reason for that is if you put it straight onto the highest intensity, it may just be well too much for you. So start it on the low one, gradually work your way up to the highest, and that's the way to do it.